Today we're going to take a look at the LaSalle Bristol RV waste valve. This has a 3-inch diameter. It's going to fit spigot to hub, and it has a 120-inch cable. This is going to replace the valve in your RV's black water tank. That 3-inch diameter passage is going to allow wastewater to travel freely whenever the valve is open. The hub, or larger side, is going to slide onto your sewer pipe, and the spigot, or smaller side, is going to slide into the sewer pipe. That 120-inch flexible steel cable allows you to install the handle pretty much wherever you want it, in a secure location or a hard-to-reach place, just anywhere that it's accessible but still out of reach, or still out of the way so it won't get accidentally opened when you don't want it to be. Now again, this is going to be a 120-inch cable. That's going to give you 10 feet of length here, so you can get this installed pretty much wherever you need it to be. A couple things to note whenever you're installing this. I have this looped over a couple of times. That's just to save space, otherwise this cable would be kind of all over the place and it'd be hard to see. But whenever you're installing it, you do not want to have it looped. You want to have it in a nice gentle bend, maybe an S-curve, but no real hard kinks in that cable and nothing that's going to damage the cable or anything like that. The instructions that come with this lay it out a little bit more specifically on how they want you to mount this. It's also worth noting that they do recommend anchoring it in a couple of spots along the way on that cable, so using something like zip ties or maybe a loom clamp to go over that and then attach it to the underside of your RV. Not a bad idea. We do have loom clamps and zip ties or zip cables available here at etrailer.com. You also need some ABS solvent cement that's required for this installation. Now, that's also not included with this, but you can also pick that up here at etrailer. The part number for that is going to be A05-0303. So you can pick that up along with some other things to keep your cable anchored down. We do have the handle on the other side, or the end of our cable, to open that and close it. So again, I have it looped just so you can see how this is going to operate. But if you pull, it's going to lift that valve seal, push, it's going to close. It does have a non-stick coating to help that seal open and close more easily. It can be a little bit tricky to open it at first, so just apply some pressure and it'll open up just fine. Again, the inner diameter of our smaller side, or the spigot side, that's going to be 3 inches, going from inside edge to inside edge. The outer diameter is going to be 3.5 inches. If we flip that over to the other side, or our hub side, the inner diameter is going to be 3.5, and the outer diameter is going to be 4 inches. Now, this is NSF approved, and this product is made in the USA. And that's going to do it for our look at the LaSalle Bristol RV waste valve with a 3-inch diameter and a 120-inch cable.